Unraveling the Mystery of the Cheese Grater. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to demystify a common kitchen tool, the cheese grater. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or just stepping into the world of culinary arts, understanding this tool is key to mastering many delicious recipes. So, let's grate some knowledge together. A cheese grater is a kitchen utensil that shreds or grates cheese, as well as other foods like vegetables and chocolate. It's typically made of metal with sharp perforations or blades where the cheese is rubbed against to produce fine or coarse pieces. Graters come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for a specific type of grating. There are several types of cheese graters, each serving a unique purpose. Box grater. A multi-sided grater with different sizes of holes for versatile use. Flat grater. A single flat surface, easy to store, and suitable for quick jobs. Rotary grater. A handheld grater that contains a revolving mechanism to grate the cheese with minimal effort. Microplane. A long, narrow grater that creates very fine shreds, ideal for hard cheeses like Parmesan. Grating cheese is straightforward, but safety is paramount. Always use the grater on a stable surface, hold the handle firmly, and grate with cautious downward strokes. Keep your fingers away from the sharp holes, and consider using a cut-resistant glove for extra protection. To maintain your cheese grater, clean it immediately after use. Stuck cheese can be difficult to remove once dried. Hand wash with warm soapy water and a brush to get into the crevices, or use a dishwasher if it's dishwasher safe. Dry thoroughly to prevent rust. There you have it, the ins and outs of the humble cheese grater. We hope this video makes your cooking adventures even more enjoyable and that you feel confident using this essential kitchen tool. Happy grating, and see you in the next video.